Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to GNANGSTUDIO for the day. Today I want to show you my beautiful Xbox One controller against my beautiful Xbox 360. Wow, 360. Get ready, follow me. As you can see, it's not a joke, it's here. And I want to test this with you. Get ready. Here you have the Xbox One. This is the Xbox 360. Okay, as you can see here. And here you have the Xbox One original. Wow, this is crazy. As you can see, so much difference. You can see Xbox here, and it's nice. Now let's go to the test. Okay, as you can see, this is a wire controller. Xbox wire controller. This is not a joke. Amazing. This is nice. And this is wireless controller. They are not Bluetooth into, but you can use Xbox One adapter, Xbox One wireless adapter to play with this on your PC, your smartphone wirelessly. You can put battery into and enjoy yourself. Okay. What? Okay, crazy. As you can see, it's nice. It also black like that. The above are black. This is the previous generation. This is not bad. And you can also connect your beautiful USB here to charge your beautiful controller. Okay, let me show you. This is a cable. You can connect this beautiful cable directly here. Okay, and enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Look at the above. Nice. It's not a joke. I want to make a comparison. Okay, comparison. I want to learn, to listen the noise about the above controller. This is why I make this video. Okay, now get ready. Let's start by this guy. Listen. Look at. Can you see this? Let's have your nose. And let's test this. Okay, look at that. And listen. As you can see, there are so much difference between. Let's test again this. Listen. Xbox One. So much difference. Now let's press this button, Xbox button, like that. And listen this. So much difference. So much difference. Okay, now let's press that back button and home button together. Look at that. Listen. And take this and listen this. Wow, the pressure is nice. Nice. Let's do something like that. Look at. Now come here and do the same action. Can you listen? So much difference. Wow, this is like silence. Okay, good. Now let's test with joystick. Look at that. And look at that. It's the same. And now let's test this joystick. Okay, just like that. Listen. The same noise. Okay, now let's test this button. Okay, all of this button. Listen. As you can see, so much difference. Can you see this? This is a noise test. Now let's test this. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's go. What? There are so much noise here. Look at inside. Now look at inside the buff. So much difference. Okay, this is the update. Now let's test this big thing. I don't know how to call this. This, look at his size, and look at the size of the preview version. How is possible? Is it a joke? This is small, very thin. Look at. Listen. Now listen this. Can you see this? Again. Listen again. What is this? Look at, there are not noise here. Look at when you do this. You can also do this, something like that. Can you see this? And this. Both. And listen this. Look at that. What is face? So much different noise here. Okay. Wow. And now let's see the hand on. Okay, this is the comparison. The hand on of the both. Who is more comfortable? Let me show you. Look at. This is the hand on. Look at that. Look at. Is on my hand like that. Okay. As you can see. And you can play. Let's test the next Xbox One now. Oh, excuse me. Okay, let's test the Xbox One now. The end on. Look at. As you can see, it's very more comfortable than the previous version. Look at that. You can do this. Look at that. This is not comfortable than this. I like more this controller. Very comfortable on my hand. You can play and do what you want. Okay. Look at under. Beautiful. Look at also here. So much different. Look at, nice. You can charge your phone. As you can see, this is wire controller. This is wireless controller. You can put battery inside. Okay, what do you say to me? What do you think about the both? This is practically the same nose with the brand new Xbox One S. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I love you. Look at that. The both are great, beautiful, amazing, wonderful. This is what I like. Now make your choice. Make your choice and say to me what you think about the both. Thank you. Look at all of this.